Imagine pouring your heart and soul into a groundbreaking idea, spending countless hours developing prototypes or writing code. This intellectual creation, whether it is a unique software, a novel design, or a distinctive brand, is the very foundation of your startup. But who truly owns it, and when should that ownership be officially transferred? Founders should assign their intellectual property to the company as early as possible. This critical step ideally takes place either before or immediately upon the formal incorporation of your business, ensuring that the company, not individual founders, legally owns these invaluable assets from the outset. The primary reason for this early assignment is to protect the company's future. Without clear, written assignments, individual founders might retain personal ownership of intellectual property they developed, even if it was intended for the business. This can lead to significant disputes down the line, especially if a founder leaves or if the company seeks investment. Investors will scrutinize intellectual property ownership very closely, as it represents a core asset and future value of the company. If the company does not clearly own its intellectual property, it is seen as a major risk. To facilitate this transfer, founders typically execute a formal intellectual property assignment agreement. This document legally transfers all rights, title, and interest in the intellectual property from the individual founder to the newly formed entity. Often, this assignment is integrated as a key clause within a broader founders agreement, or it can be a standalone document. It is crucial for the agreement to specifically identify the intellectual property being assigned, whether it is a patentable invention, a copyrightable work, or a valuable trade secret. This proactive approach strengthens your company's position significantly. For example, using a pre-incorporation intellectual property assignment ensures that anything created by founders for the business, even before the legal entity exists, is automatically transferred once the company is formed. This foresight demonstrates good governance and mitigates potential legal headaches, making your company more attractive to future investors and partners. Clear intellectual property ownership directly impacts your company's valuation and its ability to secure funding or be acquired. By formally assigning intellectual property early, founders establish a solid legal foundation, safeguarding the company's core innovations. This not only prevents future conflicts and protects against individual claims, but also positions your business for robust growth and financial success, ensuring that the collective effort truly benefits the collective entity.